Hey, Jeffy, I'm gonna drink your smoothie. Delicious. What did you put in there? Type 2 diabetes. Jeffy Grandma. You guys aren't already subscribed, post notifications, ring that little bell. Today's episode is Jeffy meets Box Kitterson. Jeffy, come here. Come here. You better freaking not, Jeffy, or I'm gonna slap you so hard. What's going on in here? What's going on in here, Kitterson? I don't understand you, Miss K. You adorable freaking cat. I love you. You understand me? For one, thank you for understanding me after all of this. I don't want Ken anymore. I want that cat right over there. Can I have you? You want me? You want me? You actually want me? You are the best. That cat is so freaking cute. It's so cute. Yeah, that Kitterson is so cute. I am freaking cute. Oh yeah, and if you guys aren't already subscribed, turn on post notifications. Oh yeah, we said that, didn't we?